Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz Farhan bin Rahizam and my metric number is DE220084. We from Group Excitec, which is Group 10 for Subject Creativity and Innovation. Would like to present about our project progress evaluation. Okay, firstly, we have 5 problem statement. Firstly, limited experience. The development team lacks prior experience in creating applications specifically designed for stadiums, presenting a learning curve in understand the unique requirement and intricacies associated with such a project. Okay, next is user-centric design. User-centric design is design an application that is intuitive, user-friendly, and address the diverse needs of stadium goals. Poses a challenge. Balancing simplicity with rich functionality is crucial to ensuring widespread adoption. Thirdly, real-time updates. Integrating real-time information such as live score, event schedules, and seat availability requires seamless communication with external data source, presenting a technical challenge in ensuring timeline and accurate updates. Next, we will give to the next presenter to explain about the problem statement.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzahan bin Marjuhan with the metric number DE220147. So the fourth problem statement is navigation and wayfinding. Creating an effective navigation system within the stadium premise, considering factors like crowd management, emergency exits, and amenities requires careful planning and execution. And last but not least, our problem statement is the integration with stadium infrastructure. Coordinating with stadium authorities to integrate the app with existing infrastructure such as Wi-Fi network, security system, ticketing process, and post-logistical challenge. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fadilan Hazim Mikar Fazilah. My metric number is DE220105. Okay, I will continue to present to you about the solution of the problem statement. Okay, next, limited experience. To address the limited experience of the development team, a comprehensive training program should be implemented. This program can include workshop, online course, and mentorship opportunities that focus on the unique aspect of developing application for stadiums. Additionally, hiring or consulting with experts who have prior experience in stadium app development can provide valuable insight and guidance. Next, user-centric design. A user-centric design approach involves conducting to the user research to understand the needs and preference of stadium goals. Prototyping and usability testing should be the integral part of the design process to ensure the application is intuitive and caters to a diverse user base. Regular feedback from potential users through surveys or focus group can guide design interactions. Okay, lastly, problem real-time updates. A system that can communicate seamlessly with external data source can be implemented, such as sports score APIs, event schedules, and seat availability database. WebSockets, but bidirectional communication protocol that can send the data from the client to the server or from the server to the client by using the established connection channel can be used for real-time update and ensure proper error handling to maintain the accuracy and timelines of information. Regularly update and test the integration to address any issue that may arise. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Qayyum Bezukilbi and my metric number is DE220150. So for the next solution, which is for the problem navigation and wayfinding, geolocation services can be utilized to provide users with real-time navigation within the stadium. So we can develop a user-friendly interface that includes maps, emergency, health information, and points of interest. And lastly, the solution for the problem integration with stadium infrastructure. So the solution that we came up with is to close collaboration with stadium authorities, so we can establish from the project's inception, work closely with their IT and operation teams to understand existing infrastructure and develop the API or interfaces for seamless integration. So the regular communication and coordination are crucial for addressing logistical challenges and ensuring a smooth integration process. So that's all from me. I'll give the presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Idhan Gadwa. My number metric is CE230152. So today I want to present about methodology. So this is about block diagram, so that we can see this is input, so that user can sign in, and then this is a process. So user can select any features in our application, for example watching the live streaming. Then lastly about output, so that user can see the result. So basically user will be sign in or create a new account for a newcomer as an input, and then after sign in user can select any features in our application, such as for streaming to other angle site and view the score for the process. And then lastly, user can see and checking the result as an output system. So this is a flowchart, so that we can see we have a starting, and then next point is about conceptualization phase. So that means we need to define application, purpose and target user, and then research for domain and intelligent enhancement aspect. So next point about planning stage. So planning stage is about we need to identify key features such as training module, progress tracking, user profile, and then select spot focus and intelligent component. That mean like strategy, decision making, and also create application structure overview. So next point about design phase. Design phase is a development UI wireframe and mockup. So we need to design database structure for the user data. So for development stage, we need to create some code front end using suitable technology, and then develop back-end logic for user data analytic and algorithm. And lastly, we need to implement user authentication and security. So for the testing phase, we need to conduct unit testing for component, and then create a beta test with a user group for feedback, and lastly iterate application based on feedback. So after we proceed about the system, we go through deployment. So we need to prepare application for iOS, Android, or system web development, and then we need to release application to App Store and something, or making it web accessible. And lastly, maintenance and update. So we need to regularly update application with new features, and then monitor performance and security. So that's all for me. Thank you.